Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your finest, the finest Igbo teacher you've ever seen. The finest Igbo teacher you've ever seen. And in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about how to introduce yourself and others in Igbo language. How to introduce yourself in Igbo and how to introduce others. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so, because this is where you learn Igbo. And if you have not started speaking Igbo right now from the videos you have watched, I'm coming to your house. Coming to your house to see you personally. Yes, this video is going to be very slow. I'm going to say word very slowly. Just concentrate on my lips. Just leave my fine face. Just focus on my lips, please. On my lips alone. Ka anyi bido. Ka anyi bido. Let's begin. 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 Aham bụ Chioma. 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 My name is Chioma. Aham bụ Chioma. Aham bụ Chioma. Abum onye Igbo. Abum onye Igbo. Abum onye Igbo. Abum onye Igbo. I'm an Igbo person. Abum onye Igbo. Abum onye Igbo. Abum onye Igbo. A na-akpọ m Chichi. A na-akpọ m Chichi. Aha m bụ Chioma, mana a na-akpọ m Chichi na ụlọ. Chichi bụ aha bebi m. Chichi bụ aha bebi m. Chichi bụ aha bebi m. Aha m bụ Chioma, mana a na-akpọ m Chichi. Abụ m onye Igbo. Your name is Ngozi. Aha ya bụ Ngozi. Aha ya bụ Ngozi. You're talking to somebody else. You're trying to tell somebody that your friend's name is Ngozi. Aha ya bụ Ngozi. My friend is seated next to me, and I'm telling the guy, I'm telling the handsome guy, I'm telling the somebody's son. You understand? You feel me? Yes, I'm telling the somebody's son. Aha m bụ Chioma. Aha ya bụ Ngozi. Aha ya bụ Ngozi, mana aha m bụ Chioma. It's very simple. It's very simple. Yes. Simple as ABCD. That is why I said if you don't learn Igbo on this channel, I don't know where you learn Igbo again. No? I don't know. But most importantly, we don't judge. Okay. We move. Aha ya bụ Emeka. 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 His name is Emeka. Aha papa m bụ Okeke. I may not be using Tush name here, yes, because Okeke is the names they use in those days. In those days, do you understand? So let's just be going down the road, because this is the road. Aha papa m bụ Okeke. 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 Aha mama m bụ Mgbafọ. Don't laugh at the names, please. This is the names those days. Remember I said you should replace it. Aha mama m bụ Mgbafọ. Aha mama m bụ Mgbafọ. Aha mama m bụ Mgbafọ. Enwere m ụmụnne atọ. Enwere m ụmụnne atọ. Enwere m ụmụnne atọ. aha ha bụ nke izizi. First one, nke izizi bụ Chizitelu. Nke abụọ bụ Obinna. Nke atọ bụ Chinwendu. Enwere m ụmụnne atọ. Enwere m ụmụnne atọ. I have 3 siblings. I have 3 siblings. Enwere m ụmụnne atọ. Nke izizi, the first one, the first person, Chizitelu. Nke abụọ, the second, Obinna. Nke atọ, the third, Chinwendu. Aha nwanne m nwoke bụ Obinna. Aha nwanne m nwoke bụ Obinna. Aha nwanne m nwoke bụ Obinna. Aha nwanne m nwanyị bụ Chinwendu. Aha nwanne m nwanyị bụ Chinwendu. Aha nwanne m nwoke bụ Obinna. Aha nwanne m nwoke bụ Obinna. Repeat it, Joe. This is I'm saying small one, saying it one. You want to say you don't understand it? Try. Try. Aha. It's very simple. See, Igbo is very simple. I'm going to show you guys that Igbo is very simple. I'm going to introduce another country, another language on this channel. Do you see the words that we Igbo use, 3-letter words? They use about 6-letter words. Like this aha. The own is another thing. Aha is just 3-letter words. A-H-A. In another dialect, another country, it can be A-H-W. It's just aha. Name. So you see. What do you want to say? Nothing. Thank you. So see what I said. Aha. Nwanne m nwoke bụ Obinna. Aha nwanne m nwanyị bụ Chizitelu. Aha oyi m nwanyị bụ Kosi. Aha oyi m nwanyị bụ Kosi. If you don't have only one friend, you say enwere m enyi nwanyị atọ. Nke izizi bụ Kosi. Nke abụọ bụ Chinwe. Nke atọ bụ Nonye. That's if you don't have just one friend. But if you have just one friend, you say aha enyi m bụ Kosi. If you have more than one friend, you say aha enyi m nwanyị bụ. You name them. Aha ha bụ Kamsi na Chinwe. This comes in place when you're pointing at some other person. Somebody is asking you about somebody and you're like, yes, I know them. Aha ha bụ. Their names are aha ha bụ. Yes, I know them. Aha ha bụ Kamsi na Chinwe. Aha ha bụ Kamsi na Chinwe. Their names are Kamsi and Chinwe. I know them. Aha ha bụ Kamsi and Chinwe. Amam ha. Aha ha bụ Kamsi na Chinwe. Aha nkịta m bụ Okonkwo. Aha nkịta m bụ Okonkwo. Aha nkịta m bụ Okonkwo. Aha nwamba m bụ Nkechi. Aha nwamba m bụ Okolo. Aha nwamba m bụ Okolo. Maazị Okoro bụ onye agbata obi m. Maazị Okolo bụ onye agbata obi m. Mr. Okolo is my neighbor. Maazị Okolo bụ onye agbata obi m. Maazị Okolo bụ onye agbata obi m. Ezigbo nwanyị a bụ mama m. Ezigbo nwanyị a bụ mama m. Ezigbo nwoke a bụ papa m. Ezigbo nwoke a bụ papa m. Ezigbo nwanyị a bụ mama m. Afa nwoke a bụ Emeka. Aha or afa, remember, just dialect differentiation, it's not a big deal. Aha, but for the sake of Central Igbo, for the sake of the Igbos, let me use aha. Aha nwoke a bụ Emeka. Aha nwoke a bụ Okolo. 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 Aha di ya bụ Ife Adigo. Aha di ya bụ Ife Adigo. Aha di ya bụ Ife Adigo. The husband's name is Ife Adigo. Aha di ya bụ Ife Adigo. Onye a bụ onye nkuzi m. Onye a bụ onye nkuzi m. This person is my teacher. Onye a bụ onye nkuzi m. Onye a bụ onye nkuzi m. Onye a bụ onye nkuzi m. Now, question today is, which phrase are you hearing for the first time today? Please put down in the comment section, because you don't know the gathering you're going to be in, you don't know the place you're going to be in, and they will use this word, maybe somebody is trying to dupe you and the person is Igbo. They're not going to speak English for you to understand, right? They're going to speak native, so you wouldn't understand. So this, even the minimalist of what you think I'm teaching on this channel, it's important because you don't know at which point it will be used to communicate. So whichever communication somebody brings out, you understand. Even if the person wants to dupe you, okay, what card, get the person's card, let's go to Olaku. When they say let's go to Olaku, you're like, okay, let's go to bank. This will want to dupe me. So make sure you learn anything I teach on this channel. Yeah, it's very important. So Olaku is what? Bank. And we have here Olo Nga, a prison. Olo Nga, a prison. Olo Nga, a prison. Watch my lips. Olo Nga, a prison. Olo Nga, a prison. Ulo Ogu. Ulo Ogu, a hospital. Ulo Ogu, a hospital. Ulo Ogu, a hospital. Ulo Ikpe, a court. 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 Oba Akwụkwọ, a library. 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 Ụlọ akwụkwọ, a school. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, a school. You might be checking the similarities in what I just said. Oba akwụkwọ, a library, and ụlọ akwụkwọ, a school. Oba akwụkwọ, a library. You already know what a library is. It's a place you keep books. You rent books. You also stay there to read as well because of the quietness. Yes. Oba akwụkwọ, a library, because when you get into a library, there's so much books everywhere. So of course, it's Oba akwụkwọ, a library. Then ụlọ akwụkwọ is a school. Akwụkwọ is book. Do you see why both of them is like they have akwụkwọ, akwụkwọ? Akwụkwọ is book. Oba akwụkwọ, a place that is filled up with books. Library. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, house that they teach book. School. Ụlọ ụka, a church. Ụlọ ụka, a church. Ụlọ ụka, a church. Ụlọ ụka, a church. Ụlọ ọrụ, an office. Ụlọ ọrụ, an office. Some people can say ụlọ ọrụ or ụlọ ọrụ. It's basically the same thing, it's just dialect differentiation, R and L. Ụlọ ọrụ, an office. Ụlọ ọrụ, an office. Ụlọ mgbasa ozi. Ụlọ mgbasa ozi, a media house. Ụlọ mgbasa ozi, a media house. Ụlọ mgbasa ozi, a media house. Yes, we already know what a media house means. It basically means something like channels where they of course give us information we use in daily life in Igbo language. Of course, I'm going to say it in Igbo. I'm also going to say what it means in English. So without further ado, let's dive into the video, okay? So like I said, we're going to be learning 10 sentences used in daily life in Igbo language. And number one is Ihotaram. 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 Do you understand me? Ihotaram. Do you understand me? Guys, please watch my lips. Watch my lips so you can synchronize. See, you know, you guys, I don't understand you people, because when you're watching TikTok video, when you're doing all those, when you're trying to imitate those TikTok videos, you say everything they are saying word by word. But when it's time to learn Igbo, your lips will not sync again. Look here, so your lips can sync the same way it sync when you're doing TikTok video. Ihotaram. 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 Do you understand me? You're talking to someone and you ask the person, do you understand me? After a long talk, and the person is looking at you like this. You say, do you understand me? Ihotaram. 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 Do you understand me? Ihotaram. Do you understand me? Just relax. We're going to take this lesson very slowly. And in today, before you leave this video today, you start speaking Igbo. And the next one here is Anam atu anya. Anam atu anya. Anam atu anya. I hope so. I hope so. Anam atu anya. Most times we use this word whenever, most of the times, you're talking to someone or you're expecting someone. Say Anam atu anya. I hope so. Anam atu anya again. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Yes, Anam atu anya. I hope so. Maybe you took an exam and the result is not yet out. You're hoping, right? You're hoping that the result will come out next week or next 2 weeks. So you say Anam atu anya. I hope so. The person tells you, your mom tells you, oh yes, Choma, I heard your result is coming out next week. You say Anam atu anya. I hope so. Anam atu anya. I hope so. Biko bia ozugbo I nwere ike. 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 You can see it. Please come as soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. Biko bia ozugbo I nwere ike. 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 Please come as soon as possible. Biko bia ozugbo I nwere ike. Biko bia ozugbo I nwere ike. chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? What do you want? Someone comes to your house, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? You meet somebody at work, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? You meet somebody in the school, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? You're selling something and somebody comes into the shop, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? What do you want? We basically use it all the time. Kedu ife ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Someone knocks on the door. Okay, welcome. Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? What do you want? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Have a good trip. 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 Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I say. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I say. You're instructing your junior brother, your junior sister to do what you said. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I said. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I said. Mee ife or ihe dialect, it doesn't matter. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I said. I wetere ya. I wetere ya. Did you get it? I wetere ya. I wetere ya. I wetera ya. I wetere ya. I wetera ya. I wetere ya. I wetara ya. I wetara ya. I wetara ya. It means basically the same thing. I wetara ya. Did you get it? Igbo is very simple. Just look at the way I wrote it and pronounce it that way. There is no putting it I wetara ya. Period. Ekwetaghị. I don't agree. Somebody says something you don't agree. Ekwetaghị. Somebody tells you something, you share something not equal. Ekwetaghị. You have to reshare it. Somebody tells you something that you know that you did not do. Ekwetaghị. I did not agree. I didn't do it. Somebody does something that is unspeakable. Ekwetaghị. You can't believe it. Ekwetaghị. I don't agree. Ekwetaghị. I don't agree. It's actually a one word. Ekwetaghị. Ekwetaghị. I don't agree. Kedu ihe ị kwuru? Kedu ihe ị kwuru? Kedu ihe ị kwuru? What did you say? 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 Echewukwala onwe gị. Echewukwala onwe gị. Don't worry. 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 So guys, this brings us to the end of this video today. Hope, like I said it before you leave this channel today, you learn how to speak Igbo. These are Igbos that are used daily life Igbo speaking words. Learn it. Save this video in your watch later. Visit it. Even I brought 10 of them so that I don't overwhelm you. I could have done 20 of them, but I said let me just break it down. I brought 10 of them. Language is bit by bit. You can't force language into someone's head. It's bit by bit. That is why I brought a bit of this. These are just 10. We have many of them, but these are the most important ones. We use it all the time in Igbo language. 10 daily Igbo speaking words. Please save your watch later, visit it, and trust me, like I said, visit, play, listen. You mustn't watch my face. You can just put the earpiece in your ear, listen to what I'm saying, washing the plates, doing the dishes, cleaning the house, and other house things you think you might be doing. And thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Please do so. If you've watched to this point, you have not subscribed. No, it's like it's not allowed. Please do so. I have other interesting videos down. You can click, you can watch, you can share, you can invite your friends, they can subscribe, and let's go to this channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year, guys. The subscription is going very slow. Please, guys, support me. Let's grow this channel and have a wonderful day. Bye.